this hand grip there?
Huh?
The hand grip you're doing was okay, but you should hold this, and then you cradle the rest
okay.
like this.
All right, okay.
That's what they teach in.
All right.
I'm gonna try this too. Hit it? Yeah, I hit it right here.
Right in the center?
Right in the middle.
Oh, shit. Okay. I can't, it's hard to see. Use binoculars.
Right here at 5 o'clock? At 5 o'clock. Right, you hit it right at 5 o'clock. You scared the deers away.
I can't see. You got it on the lower left. At the bottom.
Yep. About 6:30.
4 o'clock?
Yeah, 4 o'clock.
Uh, 11 o'clock?
11.
12 o'clock high? I don't know. 12 o'clock low?
Oh, close the target, that's good.
Let's hit the target, yeah. We'll all get better. At least we can see him now. Because it turns up yellow.
Mm-hmm.
These are fun though, isn't it? You didn't put the safety on, Jorge.